Uba Charles Pingrot, President ka All India Trinamool Congress, Meghalaya lem u Dr Mukul sangma, nong ilam kaliang Persha hayeng dorbar tauan, kejela kilapan pau jing ngau skhem ba ka party, kan dei ka nong wanrah jingkylla hadien ka election MLA arjar arpulai ka banwan. Haba Kren ha jingalang kinong kitkam ka party ha State Central Library Shillong hagaba lay don lang ru daga chairperson ka AITC ka Mamta Banerjee u National Secretary Abhishek Banerjee ki MLA ka party kini ki arngut ki nong yalam ba khmat ki laong ba ka party kala kiyo sya khmat man khimi lenti ba kan wanrah ya ka jingkylla ya ka ba ki pai ba ka jela ki la ang nuat barwa shikatta.
In the coming days and weeks, we will continue with our outreach programs and make people who believe in this goal of the All India Trinamool Congress a part of our family. I earnestly urge our people who desire to see our beloved state of Meghalaya to be a progressive, transformative and a model state to come and be part of the All India Trinamool Congress family. Come and be a part of that change. I am thankful to all the people who have extended support to the All India Trinamool Congress, and I am sure that this support will gather more steam as we head to the upcoming assembly elections. With our heads held high, we stand ready to withstand the high winds, the choppy waters, and even the dangerous storms in our endeavor to be the light to overshadow the darkness that is plunging our state of Meghalaya.
Haka por kaba lingkot. Ka Meghalaya TMC ka la kila long ka party kaba clean bat ba la sweet tait baha ka jila ka jongi. Yimtang ba ngi lang ban persarpyang ya kirti sansar bat ki mat kiba. Kongsan haka jinglong jingman jong ka jila ka jongi henrei ngi la rong ru ka sur jong u paitba haka jila Meghalaya. Ngi la shim ya ki mat bat ki issue ha kaba kiwe ki party ki riech lane kim nutban shim laka de ka soskular halor ka border bat ka jila Assam ka jingyar ha ka yon ka kot lane ka roi ka par lane ki issue ka kata ya ka kantei ka tiliech bat ka culture ka jongi kum ki pait riulam nginot ban sim ya kni namar bangi don ka jingkit kli na ba benta ka ribat ka jat penriu jong ka jila bat im ban shu sha penyat ha ki kenrat kiba shong ha nongba Delhi lane Guwahati. Uwe u nongtri kam jong ka party TMC ha Meghalaya udon ka jingkit klie bat ka jing len lane naka benta ka jila ka jong yi bat larai da kawai ka jingmut bat ka mensiam ka ba skhem ban wanrah biang ya ka jingshuk ka jingshan ka roi ka par bat ka yo ka kot haka jila kaneka jingya kindu menta ka sngi ka long ka dak jong ka jingtrei sitom jong uwe u nongkit kam jong ka party TMC ha Meghalaya bat u la IT lut ban kentiu ya ka jila shaka kerdam kiba kam halor nga pengpo ya ka jingsngyu bat ka jingyaro ya iwei pa iwei napi ba don hangne. Nga tikna ba haki sngi kiban wan ngin nang tre shitom batre strem. Tungin ya shim ya ka rai bat ya ka jingkylla kaba skhem bangin nim song tait hadu kisngi bangi laban wanrah biang ya ka senshar ka khadar kaba quit bat kaba suba ha ka jila ka jongi ngim nim song tai hadu ba ki khum ki kati jongi kin yo ka lat ka lenti ban yo jingnang jingstat kaba paka ngam nim song tai hadu baki longkmi ki jong ngi ki la ban ye ha la ki jong ki kizat batkin im shingain ha la ka jong ka jila ngin nim song tai hadu ba ki samla jongi kin yo latban yongkam yojam ki nongrep ki jong ngi kin yo ya ka jingker sam kaba donkam bat kaba pura batka jila hi baro kawai kan yohi ya ka roi ka par kaba thamai ningin nim songthai hadu ba iwei pa iwei ki nongshong shnong jong ka jila ka jongi kin yo ka jingshong shukshong sngain bat ba shi ansi pa si ansi jong ka jila kin yo yaka jingkyalla kaba skhem. Thank you, friends. We march ahead as members of this great family, the TMC, which is the only party which can restore the kind of lost glory of this beautiful state and restore peace and position the state at the highest pedestal. May God bless each one of us.